is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a tiny tip to help you get more things done. A lot of people struggle with being late. This is a hard one. Once you get in the habit of being late, it's something that is probably going to recur over and over. When this happens, it generally suggests that you're underestimating the amount of time you need to get either from A to B or to get ready to walk out the door. So if you are chronically late, I suggest that you plan on leaving your home 10 minutes earlier than you actually do need to leave. If you set that bar for yourself, it will help to accommodate perhaps you running late in the morning. It also will help you if you run into traffic. Think about it. The worst thing that happens is you show up at your destination 10 minutes early. And you can always have something to read on your phone or a magazine with you, or just look out the window and breathe and have a little peace in your day. So hold yourself to the standard that is 10 minutes sooner than your gut tells you you need. That 10 minutes could be the difference between a pleasant, unhurried day and a one where you feel rushed and pressured.